Hello YouTube. In this video we are going to work on a Lenovo Yoga C930 laptop. The issue with this laptop is not turning on. It's completely dead, and we'll see what's wrong. It's a nice machine. It is I believe an i7 for 8th gen, so it's almost brand new. So let's find out. First, let me test this. Of course, the customer is using I don't know why the camera is not focusing. Alright, of course the customer is using a generic adapter. Just a lot of time can be an issue. Oops. So what do we see here? I don't know if you saw that. See the light here? What we see is as soon as we plug the adapter, the light blink one time. That's it. Unplug it, plug it back one time. Alright, and try turn it on. So the power light is on. See that? The power light is on. Cab light is off. Alright. Let's open it. Okay, so I noticed the first thing is the battery is unplugged, which tells me I'm not the first one in. Cables are unplugged. Alright, let's try to connect. Start seeing more problem with the USB-C charging laptops than the old. This is a very expensive motherboard, and fixing it is make more sense to and save the customer money. I think I saw the board going for 700 or something. Just the board. Let's use the voltmeter to see if we can detect our voltage. we want to make sure that we can see the main voltage. There are many spots on the motherboard where you can um, test. My favorites are the fan and the power switch. The fan usually is like 5 volts, and the power switch 3.5 or 3, depends. Or 5. See that? So the 5 volt exists. Yes, let me check the other fan. See that? So there is a 5 volt present. Let me see the on and off switch. Usually it's 3 volt. Yep. Here you go. So 3 volt is still there. So our 5 volt for the fan is there. The 3 volt for the on and off switch is there. The battery should be charging at this point. Let's see. And that's the 8 volt. So what can be the problem? So we see in our voltage, you have to think about this as logic. So you see the voltage in the input of the DC jack. You see it also in the fans, startup chip, BIOS, the on and off switch connector to the motherboard. So all those, the battery, all those area, they get in enough voltage, the correct amount of voltage. The logic here says something is preventing the laptop from turning on. And what I would do is try to bypass the on and off switch. Maybe there is something wrong with the on and off switch, is not turning on the laptop. Alright, so yeah, just I'll touch it with the alright. See, so the fan is just spin. That's a very good sign. The processor is getting a little warmer. Great. And here you go, you have a display. So that was the issue. The issue was the on and off switch. It's bad, so easy. We don't have to do anything with the logic board, with the motherboard at this point. Just replacing the power switch, and that should take care of the problem. And this is a common issue. The on and off switch sometimes can go bad because of usage. If you have any question, you can write it in the comments section. And I hope this video was informative. Thanks for watching.